Hola guys, welcome back to the channel, and as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be making some homemade sushi. What you say now? What you do now? T&Lee, and we back with the crew now. Crab, shrimp, and you know we review now. Cooking up all this real nice food now. What you said now? What you need now? Mukbang screen HD now. Go ahead and subscribe, join the family. T&Lee is the place to be. Alright y'all, so you already know, I don't know what I'm doing all the way, but I did watch a couple of videos on how to make homemade sushi. Oops, sorry to chill adjusting. I know my face is kind of cut off, but it's okay. Y'all just need to be focused on the food over here. Yeah, I'm gonna take you through this process. I, YouTubed it and saw a couple of things, and hopefully this turns out good. If not, I'm gonna still eat it anyway. So today we're gonna make some T&Lee rolls. Yes, I said T&Lee rolls because I don't know what else to call them. And I just saved some of these ingredients in the nick of time because I've been bought this stuff, y'all, but y'all know how I take forever to execute. I took so long to do it that my cucumber was trying to go bad and I couldn't even use the avocado, but we're gonna use what we have. So today we have some crab meat, then we have some cucumber, and over here I have some salmon. Okay, so for my nori today, I'm gonna be using a brand called Ocean's Halo, and it looks like this. Hope y'all can see that real good. And then for my sushi rice, I used, what's the name of this company? I tore it off, but this is what it looks like, the sushi rice that I used. And it's just regular short grain rice, is what I read. But my first time, I just kind of want to do everything right, or at least try to. So yeah, I got my water bowl here. So you're supposed to use water to rinse off your hands whenever you're making it. Have my rice is covered with a wet cloth, aka a wet napkin. And then I have my bamboo mat over here, and then I put inside of a Ziploc bag like everybody else was doing, or they'll use like saran wrap or whatever, but I got it. This was a task to get this in here, but anyway. So yeah, I'm ready to get started. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to T&Leetv because it's a place to be, and if you want more videos like this, let us know. And don't forget to check out the coldest water. The link's in the description box below. You can win a free one, or you can use the promo code for free shipping. And also don't forget to check out the Epic Empire. All right, y'all, let's get started. All right, so you want to start off with clean hands. Of course, my hands are washed. And you want to get the nori. So everything is new. Okay, I had to get some scissors. I don't know how I was trying to open this. So I cut the top off. And I'm gonna get me some nori here. Some of them I see, I know they say the shiny part is always down. Okay, so it says for the shiny part to be face down. I had to make sure. Look at this, got stuff everywhere. So I have my rice. I'm gonna go ahead and move some stuff out of the way. So y'all, I have my nori here. Okay, so on some of these, I saw them break this in half like this. I don't know if that's correct or not correct, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. And if it don't work, I won't break the other one in half. Oh, how that went. Put that over there. So we have our sushi here. We have our nori here. So I'm gonna take some of the sticky rice. So you're supposed to wet your hands before you grab a good amount of rice, so it won't really stick to you like that. You're supposed to wet your hands real good and get you a good amount of rice and like gather it along the top. Okay, so it's supposed to look something like this. And I've seen people do this different ways, but basically you're supposed to spread it down to the bottom. So however you can get that to the bottom the best way, that's what you do. this is what it's supposed to look like whenever you're done. You have it spread it down, and of course I added some more rice because I don't think I had enough. Well, I didn't have enough, so I added more, and that's what you got there. So you can either use this side to add your meat and everything, or you can flip it. So I'm gonna flip mine so I can let me see. I'm gonna flip mine so I can have mine the other way. So, but before you do that, I think you're supposed to put it on the bamboo mat. Y'all, forgive me. Okay, there we go. Don't know if it's right or not, but yeah. So first we're gonna do one with crab meat. I'm gonna do one with crab meat and cucumber. And then I'm gonna do one with salmon and cucumber. And then I'll do one with salmon, crab meat, and cucumber. So yeah. You just take your crab meat. And then you just lay it here. Get you another piece. Lay it there. Then get you 2 cucumbers. How many ever you like. If you want more, I guess you can put some more on that side. I don't want no more. I don't want any more, rather. And then I'm going to put some, I have some sriracha mayo here. I'm going to also put some of that on the inside of this. There we go. Voila. So the next thing is to roll it. So let's see how this turns out. So first you're supposed to, what did they say? Grab it like from the middle. I'm getting my hands a little messy. And then do that. And then you're supposed to go over some more. Yeah, don't be judging me. There you go. Oh my God, y'all, I made it roll. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. I made a roll, and that's what it looks like. Okay. Okay. Y'all, make sure you have some napkins because you're going to need them. So that's what that looks like there. And when it's done, let's see. Let me make sure this. When it's done, you're supposed to take the other side and do some other stuff with it. Let me see. So there's my roll. Then supposed to take the other side and do this to give it a better shape or something. Right? Y'all, I look like I know what I'm doing, don't it? I got the sushi roll. All right. So next, you want to cut this up. Okay, so when you get your roll together, you want to cut it up, and so you cut down the middle first, and you're not supposed to smash into it, you're supposed to saw into it. So that little saw wasn't working, so we was gonna smash into it. Okay guys, so my first roll was a total fail because I didn't have a sharp enough knife. And so it's like it wouldn't cut through. It was smashing, making them come apart. So make sure you have a sharp enough knife. So I'm gonna do some more, and I'm gonna use a sharp enough knife next time. Okay guys, so we're gonna make the next roll. guys, I just remembered, whenever I watched one video, they were telling you to add a little bit of vinegar to your water. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, this is pretty much what it should look like. And yeah, adding that vinegar for some reason did make it a little bit easier. Or is it just in my mind? I don't know. Okay, so on this one, I'm gonna leave it this way. And I'm gonna add some salmon. Okay, so that's that roll. I think I overstuffed him a little bit, but it'll be all right. Okay, so I have my next ones made right here. So these are the ones that the knife wasn't sharp enough. These are the ones I overstuffed. Y'all, this is trial and error again. I don't know what I'm doing all the way, but I'm trying and I think I'm doing okay. All right, so next one I'll be making is the salmon and crab one together. And I'm gonna go ahead and make those and then I'll be right back with my finished products. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I went ahead and plated it. I put some more of the spicy mayo on half of it. And then I sprinkled on top some pepper, garlic, crispy onions. So here I have soy sauce and then I have some yum yum sauce. And yeah, that's the finished product. If you guys would like to see the mukbang, I'm going to link it down below. And I'll probably try to notate it up above, because that will be out before this video. But again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to T&Leetv because it is the place to be. Don't forget to check the description box down below for all the links that are available for you guys to check out, which is The Coldest Water, Epic Empire, and our personal channels. Also, it's so Nyiah. Alright, y'all, I'm done. See you in the next video. Bye.